How to cancel a Flipkart order after shipping. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to cancel a Flipkart order after shipping, what you need is here, simply make sure to follow the steps. Now to cancel a Flipkart order, after it has been shipped, you generally cannot do so directly through the cancel button in the app or website, as it typically appears or become return option once the item is transit. And the most effective way to cancel an item already in transit is to actually receive it, and later on when you receive it you could simply return it and ask for a refund or maybe replace the item as well, and the delivery agent will mark the order as refused or a customer not interested, and the item will be sent back to the seller. And once the package reaches the seller or the return is processed in the system, and your refund will initiate or automatically to your original payment method as well. And if nothing works out, you could simply go to account and then make sure to select help center, and there you could go ahead and contact support. They will be able to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.